Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and I've had another parcel folks, and this one has come from Mike Mountain, aka the Dad. So what have we got? We have got some Scaly Model stickers. Yes, happy days, cheers for that mate, purely and simply because we get asked for stickers quite a bit. And when I send mine out, I like to send someone else's with them and just do a little collection of leftovers of what I've got. So, yeah, cheers for that, Dad. He's also been aware that I 3D printed a Revell Aquas paint rack. So he sent me some Revell Aquas to put in there. And you are a diamond of geezer, mate. We got a bit of grey. So he knows what colours I needed and all. Bit of red. Dad giving away red paint. Who'd have thought it, eh? We got some white. We got matte brown. Oh, mint. That'll come in handy. And we've got some light blue as well. So I've got some aqua paints to go into my newly printed rack, which I'll take a picture of and I'll put on my YouTube channel. We got some, it's the Berlin camo stuff, innit? Oh, dude, you are a ledge. Because I'm doing a 432 in Berlin camo. He sent me through all the paints I need to do it. Oh, you are a star, mate. There's a grey blue, light brown grey. We got a NATO green. Oh, mate, you're a star. Medium brown. And we got light brown grey. Oh, mate, honestly, I'm not an hugger. But when I meet up with you when the world's stopped being on fire, mate, we're going to hug it out for this bad boy. Just move the big box out of the way. And we got a box of tricks here as well. Let's have a looky loo. Oh, we got some decals in there. Oh my God, you are amazing, mate. The other week on the Sunday Brunch, I featured Kenneth's rabbit that he had printed, and Dad had one in his stash and he sent it to me. Oh, mate, look at that. Oh, you are an absolute diamond, mate. So it's the motorcycling rabbit. Have a look on the Festa 67's workshop group, and you'll see one that was painted by Alex Frankston, and super mint job, super tight paint scheme, and yeah, we cooed over it and we loved it up, and Dad's gonna send me one. Oh, you are a legend, mate. I'm gonna keep that on my bench purely and simply because if I put it away on the shelf up there, it's going to end up in the stash. So we are going to solve the problem by reminding myself. Build next. And that is going to sit on my bench, guarded by Manny, who's just off to the other side there. And I'll build that next. So, many thanks, Mike. You are a legend. Thank you for a nice little haul of paints there, mate, to keep old Festa Pops going, mate. Catch up with you soon, everyone. The usual, stay safe, look after each other, and, tune into all our streams if you're a bit bored at the bench, and we'll do our best to keep you all company. Catch you later, folks. Bye-bye for now. You got rabbit on the bike.